Hi traders, good morning. This is Forex Nelson. I'm back doing another trade while I'm on a 2-day vacation down in Niagara Falls on the Canada side. Today is Thursday, February the 21st. Last night during the Asian session, I only managed to do one trade. The internet here was very weak, so I managed to do at least one trade based on Aussie news. That's where this news is, right here on this red candle that tanked. I can show you the news here. Right here, the unemployment change and the unemployment rate and the employment change, it was positive green. That means we're going to buy the Aussie. So looking at the charts here, if we're buying the Aussie, the Euro Aussie along with the pound Aussie would have dropped right here, and it did drop quite a bit actually. It dropped about 85 pips, and then it hooked around. So that's why you got to manage the trade, get in and get out. Now I wasn't in front of the charts at that time. I was having dinner overlooking the falls at a fancy restaurant at the Embassy Suites, Hilton Honors. And basically when I got to the computer, actually I got in this area and I analyzed the charts, higher time frames, followed my pip trigger rules, and I knew that it was going to continue to go up. This was just news related. Once the news died out, then started getting signals for buying. So anyhow, I bought it with a 20 pip stop. That's my stop right here. Okay, this is where I got in, right where this cursor is, and I let it ride for my 40 pips here. I was sleeping at this time, but my auto stop kicked in here with a 20 pip stop and a 40 pip target. Let's see what it went against me. It was only about 18 pips, 20 pips. I gave it a little bit more just to give it a little bit of wiggle room. I woke up in the morning and I saw that on my Euro Aussie I ended up with 28.33. So I was very happy. Great for without even going to the casino. So it was a great trade. Could have done the pound Aussie, but it did not look quite as good. I prefer to take the pair that looks the best and highest probability and a chance to work in my favor. So as I said, I took the Euro Aussie. I only did one trade, and as it went through the night and into the London session, it gave me my pips. If your trading is not up to par, and if you're trying to improve on your trading, all you got to do is get in touch with me. I'll answer all your questions. And of course, if you look right below this video, you will, in the description, you'll see a write-up similar to this. In the description, this is the Pip Trigger full package, which is $250. You will get an exact copy exactly as you see it here on my platform. Will be on your computer. There is well over 20 gigabytes of training, and there are 352 training videos for my Pip Trigger system with 20 bonus videos. There's 12 versions of the Pip Trigger. Basically you buy one Pip Trigger and I give you 12 versions of them, and that equals to just $20 a system. Makes it a very good deal. There's 12 of them, as you can see right within here, down to here, 12 systems, along with 4 meters altogether. Now for your traders who like to read, there's a lot of PDF books and a lot of Word documents, and I've been getting a lot of questions on this $1 million trade plan. This is where you only need one trade a day, and all you need is 10 pips. And that's where you can take $1,000, and at the end of 10 months, less than a year, you can turn $1,000 into $1 million. I teach you exactly how to do it within this plan. So there are a lot of ways to trade, and I do teach a lot of ways. All you got to do is see down here, you can see a lot of different ways that I teach. London close and formations, MW formations, and you can put on pause and look at all these different ways that I teach. This is what you have to do as a trader, get your hands on a lot of education for as cheap as possible. So if you want to get your hands on the PIP trigger, if you have any further questions about the PIP trigger or the $1 Million Trade Plan, just get in touch with me. You can call me directly on my cell phone, and or you can shoot me an email if you live too far. And I do prefer Skype. Skype ID is Forex_Nelson. I'm the only one in there in Cambridge, Ontario. All you got to do is get in touch with me, and then through that Skype screen sharing, I can show you more about the PIP trigger and answer your questions. So anyhow, it just about wraps up this video, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I want to wish you good luck in your trading, and bye for now.